Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves lapping beneath your bedroom. You open your curtains, and instead of a backyard, you see endless blue horizons. The sunrise reflects across the ocean, and your entire house gently sways as if it's breathing with the sea. No traffic. No noise. Just peace and the luxury of floating freedom. Welcome to a new chapter in human living, where futuristic design meets the ocean's timeless calm. Today, we explore 10 revolutionary houseboats and floating villas that are changing how we think about home, travel, and sustainability. Summersun Boat. The Summersun Boat is a beacon of modern marine innovation, a floating villa that captures the very essence of sustainable luxury. Imagine a home powered entirely by the sun, surrounded by water, yet as stable and comfortable as any land-based mansion. The exterior design blends sleek aerodynamic lines with wide solar panels that crown its rooftop. These panels not only power the boat's propulsion and onboard systems but also store enough energy to keep it running for days without sunlight. Step inside, and you'll find a contemporary open-concept layout, floor-to-ceiling glass walls, natural wood finishes, and panoramic views in every direction. The Summersun smart design keeps it eco-friendly and self-sufficient, recycling water and using energy-efficient climate systems. It's not just a boat, it's a promise that luxury and sustainability can coexist beautifully. Heart Yachting. Next, we set sail to the world of Heart Yachting, where each houseboat is a handcrafted masterpiece of design and emotion. Heart Yachting doesn't just build boats, they build experiences. These floating homes are known for their minimalist Nordic interiors, clean lines, natural textures, and panoramic glass walls that blur the boundary between inside and out. Each model is designed to feel like an extension of the surrounding landscape, whether anchored on a calm lake or drifting through coastal waters. But what makes Heart Yachting so unique is its engineering philosophy: stability through design. The hull geometry ensures zero rocking motion, even in light waves. Combine that with smart home integration, from automated blinds to remote temperature control, and you have a home that moves with you, yet feels utterly grounded. For those who crave serenity with a touch of Scandinavian sophistication, Heart Yachting delivers. The Floating Seahorse. Perhaps one of the most famous futuristic floating homes ever designed, the Floating Seahorse from Dubai is unlike anything else on Earth. Half villa, half submarine, this extraordinary creation features underwater bedrooms surrounded by coral gardens and marine life. Imagine lying in bed, watching tropical fish drift by your window as if you were sleeping inside an aquarium. Above water, you'll find luxury in every corner: a sun deck with a jacuzzi, glass flooring, and living spaces designed with ultra-modern aesthetics. Each unit is anchored but free-floating, using advanced buoyancy technology to maintain stability even in open waters. The Floating Seahorse isn't just a home, it's a statement of what's possible when architecture dives beneath the surface. It represents humanity's dream of living with, not just on, the ocean. Atlas V-Series Houseboat. The Atlas V-Series houseboat combines robust engineering with futuristic luxury. Built for long-term living, it's more of a floating mansion than a mere houseboat. The V-Series uses a hybrid propulsion system, electric and hydrogen-powered, ensuring smooth, quiet, and eco-friendly movement. Inside, the interiors rival five-star hotels, featuring high-end materials like Italian marble, smart glass, and hidden storage solutions. Its modular construction allows owners to customize everything, from floor plans to rooftop gardens. Some versions even include infinity pools and drone landing pads. The Atlas V-Series represents a new era of engineering, where sea travel and sustainable living merge seamlessly into one intelligent floating habitat. Surla Houseboats. Designed for those who love simplicity and elegance, Surla houseboats take the minimalist philosophy to the water. Each Surla unit focuses on maximizing natural light and space, using sustainable materials like bamboo, recycled aluminum, and eco-resins. The exterior has a soft, organic form, almost sculptural, making it blend naturally into lakes or calm sea bays. Surla's interiors are quiet sanctuaries. You'll find clean white walls, modular furniture, and open living areas that flow seamlessly to outdoor decks. Every element is designed to make you feel one with the water. In a world overwhelmed by noise and excess, Surla offers something rare: tranquility through design. Waya Pyramid. Now, imagine not just a boat, but an entire floating pyramid. That's the vision behind the Waya Pyramid, an ambitious concept that turns futuristic architecture into a self-contained floating community. Inspired by Mayan pyramids and modern eco-engineering, each Waya structure stands tall above the water, with multiple levels that include residential areas, restaurants, greenhouses, and solar farms. These pyramids are designed to generate their own energy, harvest rainwater, and recycle waste, functioning as sustainable floating cities. If humanity ever faces rising sea levels or overcrowded cities, Waya pyramids could be our next frontier, breathtaking, independent, and built to withstand the ocean's moods. Crossover Houseboat. The crossover houseboat lives up to its name, crossing over between a traditional yacht and a modern smart home. Its exterior resembles a luxury yacht, but inside it's a high-tech residential space packed with innovation. The houseboat includes voice-controlled systems, adaptive lighting, and renewable energy sources like rooftop solar and hydro generators. One of its standout features is its convertible platform, which can transform into a swimming deck, outdoor cinema, or even a landing pad for electric watercraft. The crossover is for those who want to explore, to travel the seas without leaving behind the comforts of home. C310 Houseboat. Not everyone wants a massive floating palace, and that's where the C310 houseboat shines. It's compact, efficient, and designed for those who love mobility and style in one elegant package. Despite its smaller size, the C310 doesn't compromise on comfort. It includes a master suite, full kitchen, bathroom, and outdoor lounge areas, all integrated into a sleek, lightweight design. It's also remarkably eco-conscious, with solar panels, water purification systems, and energy-saving appliances. The C310 represents the growing trend of micro-luxury, living large and small, smart spaces that travel wherever you wish. MX.4 Houseboat. The MX.4 houseboat looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie with its sharp geometric angles, metallic tones, and panoramic glass facade. But it's very real, and it's redefining what a modern houseboat can be. MX.4 combines performance with aesthetics, using carbon fiber and lightweight composites for speed and efficiency. Inside, the automation system adapts lighting, temperature, and privacy glass based on time of day and weather conditions. The result is a home that feels alive, one that responds to its environment like a living organism. The MX.4 is not just futuristic in appearance, it's an architectural statement about intelligent living on water. Aqua House. Finally, we arrive at the Aqua House, a marvel of modern sustainability. Designed as a fully autonomous floating habitat, the Aqua House can produce its own energy, purify its own water, and even grow its own food through integrated hydroponic systems. The home is powered by a combination of solar, wind, and wave energy, making it capable of remaining off-grid indefinitely. The interior feels like a futuristic spa, open, airy, and filled with natural textures and light. Aqua House isn't just a home for today, it's a model for the floating cities of tomorrow. A vision of complete independence and harmony with nature.